In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a responsive website in Webflow. We're going to keep this focused and practical. You'll start in the Webflow dashboard, create a new site, and then choose a template that gives you a strong, responsive foundation right from the start. By the end, you'll understand not just what to click, but why each choice sets you up for a site that looks great on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Begin in the Webflow dashboard, the control center for all your projects. This is where you can see everything you've built and where new sites begin. If you use multiple workspaces, make sure you're viewing the correct one so your project lands in the right place. Starting from the dashboard keeps things organized and ensures your new site uses the correct settings behind the scenes. Go ahead and click New Site. This opens a clean starting point and takes you into the creation flow. Think of this as choosing the blueprint for your build. Webflow will present options, and this is where you decide how much structure you want out of the gate. If you prefer to design every element from scratch, you can. But for responsive results with less trial and error, there's a better path. Click Template to find the best foundation for you. The template gallery is more than just pretty designs. It's a library of layouts already engineered with breakpoints, grids, and flexible spacing that adapt across devices. Preview templates and switch between device views to see how the navigation, hero sections, and content blocks respond from large screens down to phones. Look for templates that use CSS grid and flexbox, fluid units for width and spacing, and a consistent type scale. These are the building blocks of responsiveness. Many templates also include a style guide page with global color tokens and typography, which helps you keep design changes consistent as you customize. Here's why this approach helps you build a responsive website. You're starting with a system that has mobile, tablet, and desktop behavior built in. The heavy lifting, stacking columns, reflowing images, adjusting spacing, and handling navigation on small screens has already been tested. That means you spend less time fixing layout surprises and more time tailoring content, branding, and interactions. Webflow's breakpoints are already configured in these templates, so when you tweak a component, you can quickly confirm it scales across sizes without reinventing the layout for each device. Once you've found a template that matches your goal and style, select it to create your site and open it in the designer. From here, you can customize confidently, knowing the responsive structure is already in place. Congratulations! You've launched your Webflow site with a responsive first foundation that's ready to grow with your content.